Welcome to HomePantry Pro. If you have been struggling to get a good night of rest because your current mattress feels like a brick, or perhaps it has simply lost its support over the years, you are in the right place. Today we are taking a deep dive into the SHOUREN 4 to 5 inch mattress topper. This is a queen-size edition that promises to turn your bed into a cloud. Let us see if it actually delivers on that comfort. First, let us talk about the thickness. This topper boasts a 2100 GSM premium blend filling, which creates a massive 4 to 5 inch profile. When you open this up, the first thing you notice is the height. It adds a significant layer of plushness that effectively refreshes an aging mattress. If you feel every spring in your current bed, this thickness is designed to act as a substantial barrier between you and your old mattress. Under the surface, the engineering here is quite interesting. It uses a combination of gel memory foam and a 3D polyester fiber blend. By mixing 70% memory foam with 30% fiber, you get the contouring support of foam while avoiding that stuck-in-the-mud feeling. It helps distribute your body weight more evenly, which is great for those who suffer from pressure points on their shoulders or hips. One of the biggest complaints with foam toppers is heat retention, but this model attempts to solve that with a blue bamboo-viscose surface. The blend of bamboo-viscose and polyester is soft to the touch and features a 3D air layer design. This allows for better airflow throughout the night, keeping your temperature regulated so you do not wake up feeling overheated. Functionality is just as important as comfort, and I am happy to see that it comes with 4 elastic corner straps. There is nothing more annoying than a topper that slides off the bed while you sleep. These straps keep everything anchored firmly in place, regardless of your mattress height. As for maintenance, it is machine washable on a gentle cycle, which is a major win for hygiene. Just keep in mind that when you first get this out of the box, it needs time to breathe. Make sure to let it air out for 24 to 48 hours to reach its full fluffiness before you try to sleep on it. Now, let us look at the pros and cons. The primary pro is clearly the comfort. That 4 to 5 inch loft is incredibly soft and does a fantastic job of masking a worn-out mattress. The temperature control from the bamboo surface is a noticeable improvement over standard foam. However, the downside is the setup time. You do need to be patient during that initial expansion period. If you try to jump on it right away, you will not get the full effect of the loft. Overall, if you are looking for a cost-effective way to upgrade your sleep quality without buying a brand new mattress, the SHOUREN topper is a very strong contender. It offers a premium feel at a price point that makes sense for most households. If you are ready to upgrade your sleeping experience, you know what to do. Link in the description.